Hey everybody, Lauren from sleepzoo.com, and today we're taking a look at the Helix Mattress, an affordable and customizable hybrid mattress that ships to your door in a box. So sit back and get comfortable because we're gonna go over everything you need to know about this truly one-of-a-kind mattress. And make sure you watch the entire video because we're gonna cover all of this mattress's features, its pros and cons, and discuss which type of person this mattress is right for. And as always, if you want more information about this or any other mattress out there, head on over to our website, sleepzoo.com. We have reviews for many of the top bed-in-a-box brands, and we've got a ton of exclusive coupon codes there to help you save big on your next mattress purchase. Our mattress deals often save our readers anywhere from $75 to $200, so you're definitely going to want to take advantage of that. We'll put all those links below in the description, so make sure you check them out. All right, let's get to the Helix. Let's start by covering the basics of the Helix mattress. The Helix is an affordable hybrid mattress that combines cushy memory foam with sturdy and supportive coils. It's also one of the most customizable mattresses in the world. When you go to purchase a Helix, you will be asked to complete a short questionnaire to gather information on your sleep preferences, body type, age, and other variables. This information is then used to recommend a custom Helix bed composition that's tailored specifically to you. What makes Helix even more unique is the fact that you can customize each side of the bed individually. So if you prefer a firm mattress that's comfortable for back sleeping, but your partner prefers a soft composition ideal for side sleeping, you can get both built into a single mattress. The Helix also comes with a full 100-day risk-free trial, which means that if you don't fall in love with your mattress, you can return it for a full refund at any point during the first 100 days. After that, your investment is protected by a 10-year warranty. The Helix mattress is customizable, so there is no specific model to choose from. Instead, you complete the sleep quiz, and Helix recommends a specific custom mattress composition that includes the ideal sizing and firmness for you. Prices are the same regardless of the results of your survey, but of course, the larger sizes are more expensive than the smaller mattresses. The mattress comes in sizes ranging from twin to California king, so there's something for everyone. So what about the price? Given the fact that this is a hybrid mattress that is fully customized to your preferences, the price is incredibly reasonable. The Helix starts as low as $600 for a twin and goes up to $1,245 for a California king. This pricing presents incredible value for the quality and comfort of this mattress. Plus, you may be able to save even more by checking out those coupon codes in the description below. Alright, so let's cover how the bed is made. First and foremost, keep in mind that the specific composition of the bed is going to vary depending on the results of your sleep survey and your personal preference. The basic construction of the bed will be the same, but the specific composition and thickness of the various layers is going to vary. Helix is customized by changing the density of layers as well as the order of the layers of the bed. This allows for the best blend of firmness, temperature regulation, support, and elasticity specifically for you. With all of that in mind, the composition of this mattress follows a basic formula, a hybrid blend of memory foam and coils. This combination provides excellent support and durability from the pocketed microcoils, along with contouring comfort foam, dynamic foams, and polyfoams. A layer of individually pocketed microcoils provides the underlying support and shape for the mattress. This layer is optimized for pressure relief, improved airflow, and reduced motion transfer. The individualized design helps keep motion isolated, so you don't disturb your partner when you get up or change positions. A layer of Helix dynamic foam provides reactive and contouring comfort as well as excellent cooling properties. The dynamic foam reacts to your body shape, providing a comfortable, soft, yet supportive feel. It also sleeps very cool, allowing your body heat to disperse. Layers of high-grade polyfoam provide additional support and comfort layers. By varying the density of these polyfoams, Helix is able to achieve full customization of each mattress. Finally, we have the cover. The Helix cover features a simple but comfortable knit design. This cover helps protect the bed from damage and stains while increasing comfort for the sleeper. Helix also sells optional mattress protectors for additional protection. So, how does the Helix feel? Is it actually comfortable? In our testing, Helix was very comfortable in most sleep positions. We tested a Helix that was customized to our preferences, so it's no surprise that it was very comfortable. Since the Helix is customized to your preferences, it should be comfortable in all positions for you. Obviously, the feel of the bed will vary depending on the results of your sleep survey. If you're a side sleeper, Helix will likely recommend something on the soft to medium firm side. For side sleepers, the ideal amount of sinkage will accommodate your shoulders and hips while still providing you the support and spinal alignment your body needs. If you're a back sleeper, Helix will likely recommend something with a bit more firmness. Back sleepers tend to need a bit more support to enhance comfort and avoid lower back pain. And lastly, if you're a stomach sleeper, Helix will probably recommend a relatively firm composition. The sinkage is going to vary slightly depending on which composition you end up with. However, we found the versions we tested to have acceptable levels of sinkage. Even the softer versions of Helix don't have too much sinkage due to the mix of materials and multiple support layers. As far as motion transfer goes, the Helix performs quite well. The hybrid design helps to minimize motion because the individual coils are able to move independently of one another. If you sleep with a partner who tosses and turns or gets up in the middle of the night, the Helix helps make sure the other person doesn't get disturbed. So bottom line, the Helix is a bed in a box that provides a great blend of comfort, pressure relief, support, and bounce. It's one of the most customizable mattresses available today, with each Helix sold being tailored specifically to the needs and wants of the customer. Despite the luxury design and full customization, Helix is still quite affordable. Plus, this mattress is ideal for people with different sleep preferences as it allows you to customize each side of the bed. Overall, this is an excellent hybrid mattress at a great value. Okay, so we want to hear from you guys now. Leave a comment below with any questions, concerns, or thoughts you have about this mattress. If you liked the review, make sure you hit that thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our reviews. Finally, make sure to check out the links in the description below for coupon codes and other offers that you can use to get the best deal on your next mattress. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.